welcome back to another video. And today, my cousin Freya and Matilda.
I'm not your cousin.
Oh yeah, my cousin Freya and my sister Matilda. They're doing this. They're doing this weird thing. So Matilda's going first. Sorry guys about that. Something just came up on my screen. Right. 3, 2, 1, go Matilda. She did not do that. Did she do that, Freya?
I don't think so.
Right.
Go.
No. Right. So it's on shout out to her channel. What's your channel called? It's your channel called. What's your channel called?
What?
What is your channel called?
I can't hear you.
What is your channel called?
What is your channel called? Crazy Cartoon.
Right, sorry.
Crazy 14.
Alright, so it's Freya's 14, 6,
Crazy 14.
3D14's go. Right. 3, 2, 1, go. Right. My cousin's too good at it, so that's attempt 1 for Matilda and Freya do 14. And Matilda's not got a channel yet because she's broke her iPad. Right, so go. Matilda, 3, 2, 1, go. She forgot to put. Right, sorry, 3, 2, go. I don't even. Did she do it then? No. Freya did. So that's attempt number 2. Freya, if you make it all 5, I need to do a punishment. But if Matilda can't give me a punishment now because she can't even do 1. Right, come on. Yeah. Win spin, by the way. Right, she did that. That's it. Like, she's second attempt done. Win Spain, by the way. Do you want to go on a draws this? And then it sounds more like Spanish. Do you want to do that? But yeah, it's your decision. Do you want to go on a draws this? Right. Matilda, uno, dos, tres. Matilda, she's so bad. So that's a 3rd attempt.
A what?
3rd attempt, you've not even done 1. Right, you've got 2 in a row. Not 2 out of 5. Come on. Uno, dos, tres, go. She's done it again. She's done it again. She's just too good. I'm gonna look at swimming. Underwater player. No. I'm supposed to say that. Told her. You could go anyway. It's already been 3 minutes. No. 1, 2, 3, go. See. I'm gonna go. What did she do? Did she do it? No. She didn't do it.
No, I do it.
No. It's
No, I did.
making a video. So it's a thing what they do. Right, come on. You're gonna she's basically about coloured her hair pink. She's coloured her hair pink. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, see.
Ow!
She did it again. Right, look at swimming. Look at that card. Right, she basically she's got pink hair.
Sunny, did I get it?
Yeah. Right, Tilda. I think this is your last go. We can see your tactic. Right, come on. 1, 2, 3, see. Did she do it?
The last bit she struggled with, she goes,
What did she do it?
she went, so, actually she did it.
So that's 1. So Matilda, you don't. If you do this last one, I'm doing a punishment.
So when you coming in the pool,
Three.
ready?
Oh no, bro, guys, see. Oh, I have to do a punishment now, and this is only a short video because it's only.
Can I do it today?
What? Yeah, I get to pick up any punishment,
Who wants a beer?
not make. Right, pick any punishment.
Uncle?
Matilda, he's picking a punishment.
You pick a punishment for me because you won.
No, you pick a punishment.
No, you.
No, I don't know.
Matilda, pick a punishment.
I don't know. So you just pick one. You're supposed to pick
Okay, I'll do a belly flop in the pool. Right, who's cameraman? Someone needs to dry the hand and be cameraman. I'm dry.
Tell her to do it. You choose it.
I need to do a belly flop.
Wait, why?
You're lucky on this video, Matilda. Because I need to do a punishment. I've not done a punishment in
What are you doing
ages.
today? Belly flop?
Yeah. Right, Matilda, can you dry your hands?
No. By the way,
Dry them.
By the way, I did it all without goggles.
Yeah, so subscribe to her channel because she's 2 away from 30 subscribers. Now I'm 4 away from 20. And we're very close to 300 views. So.
We're not close to 3 million subscribers.